Progressive Rail Incorporated. They're doing some switching here. I'm backed into a dock door. Feeling a little bit, I was feeling a little bit seasick when he came backing in beside me. I had the optical illusion that I was the one that was moving and he was sitting still. Anyhow, I'm just reading some of the graffiti. He backed in with three cars. Wait to see how many he leaves, but a couple. Ooh, that hurt. Anyhow, I'm just kind of watching to see how many cars. I do appreciate some graffiti. If it's really nicely done, I think it looks cool. Some of it just looks trashy, but anyhow. That's so far 5. 6. Yeah, you got 6 of them. Anyhow. Well, thank you.